The big idea that I need you to hear is that you need your intuition, not just for all the hints and guidance it's going to give you for the moment by moment decisions, but also the most valuable skill that you need in this day and age is the skill of discernment, is the ability to discern what's for you and what's not for you. And although that seems like, oh yeah, that should be an easy thing, when there are certain beliefs that are hyper popular, super common, it doesn't mean they go with everyone. Case in point, I met with a client recently, and the guidance for her was to not sit and reflect on her past, not sit and slow down and tune into her body and all that. And she needs to focus on where she's going and the movement there and just keep going at the fast pace that she's going. And yet there's the book, The Body Keeps Score. And it's like, oh, your body stores these things and we need to process them and all that. And it's like, even though that's true, it's not true for this person. Either she's already processed it and she doesn't even know it and she thinks she has to do it the way everybody else does it, or this is just not the time. And that's the thing. If you don't listen to your own intuition or have the ability to really discern what's for you and what's not for you, you're going to follow guidance and advice that, while incredibly popular and like revolutionary in some ways, it's not actually designed for you. It's not for you at this time. Everything is not for everyone at the same time. One of the things I do for my clients is I help fast track them to, one, hearing their own intuition, but confirming or denying, oh yeah, you need this, you don't need that. Because you know this, time is precious. Time is precious. You want your life to be the best that it can be. And there's a few things that are really getting in the way of that right now. And some of it, I know, is you, and some of it's the world. So it's like, all we can do, if you're doing personal development and goal setting and, spiritual healing or whatever else you're doing, all you can do is like do your best for yourself so that you can be advancing towards the better life, the thing that's more fulfilling, what really makes you feel incredible and amazing and activated in a good way. But again, if you're following the wrong thing for you, it's not going to be beneficial. It could even be harmful. It could even make you be like, why does this work for everyone but me? And it's like, why does this work for everyone but me? Well, because it's not for you. It's for others. And there's something different for you. And I want you to find that. I want you to tap into that so that you don't just follow the mass advice that's for everyone, but you follow your unique path that's yours in this moment right now. And like I said, if you want to work with me, book a session. Otherwise, even if you don't want to work with me yet, take my free course, You Are Intuitive, and start working with your intuition. It's one of the greatest gifts you have. It's there, accessible for everyone. And you can start working with it today, and the effects in your life are going to start showing up pretty much immediately. And you're going to have continued benefit, confirmation, self-trust, and all of this by working with your own intuition, your own guidance. All right, lots of love.